All right, so today's activities are all on triangles. As we mentioned earlier in the lesson, we've got an equilateral triangle, which has all equal sides, okay, and all equal angles. And then we have a right angle triangle, which has a right angle, okay? And then we've got the isosceles triangle, which two sides are equal and two angles are equal, right? And we've got the scalene triangle, which all of the sides are different and all of the angles are different as well. Okay, so on this next part, what you need to do is write the name of the triangle. What type of triangle is shown? Write it on the line, okay? On the next page, you're going to be, again, describing, drawing, and naming the triangles. So I'd like you to trace over the lines to practice drawing the triangles, and write down the name of the triangle. What type of triangle is it? And fill in the blanks, okay? So this has three what kind of sides? This is an equilateral triangle, right? So you're going to write equilateral right here, okay? And it has three what type of sides? Equal sides. So you're going to write equal there. Okay, so you're going to do that for all of the rest. Now, you can refer to this word bank down here and use these words to help you answer all of these questions. Okay? All right, and lastly, we've got an alligator angles game. Okay, this is optional. You can play this by yourself. You can play this with somebody at home. All right, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need this page, and you're going to need dice, and you're going to need two different types of colored pencils or markers, okay? And you're not going to need this alligator's angle recording page. So, the player who rolls the largest number will begin the game. You're going to roll the dice and identify the type of angle you need to find, color in the space with that type of angle in it, and if all of the spaces have been taken, then your turn is over. Okay, so the first person who connects 15 spaces is the winner. So they all have to be connected, okay? And you can go diagonal too, all right? So, for example, if I roll the dice and I roll a 2, then I lose a turn. If my partner then rolls a dice and rolls a 4, then they're going to look for an acute angle, which is this one here, and they're going to color it in, okay? And then I'm going to roll the dice, and I'm going to get a number 5. So then I'm looking for an obtuse angle. So I'm going to find an obtuse angle, and I'm going to find one further from that one, my partner's. So I'm going to start here. Okay, and then next, my partner is going to roll the dice, and they get a 1. So they're looking for a right angle. So they're going to try to connect as many angles as they can. So here's a right angle right beside their acute angle. So they're going to color that in, okay? So they're going to try to find angles that can connect and make a line of 15 of them. All right? Okay, that's all.